Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the NCERT based MCQs from the chapter Human Reproduction. Friends, I have already uploaded one video on the same and we have started solving the exemplar questions, following which we shall be continuing with many more NCERT based MCQs for a better practice. So please stay tuned and do check with the playlist for other chapters and other videos as well. So in this segment, we are going to solve the MCQs from 11 to 20 based on human reproduction, and this includes the exemplar questions till 18, because in the exemplar there are just 18 questions, after which we will start up with the additional questions for the purpose of practice. Question number 11. Which among the following has 23 chromosomes? A. Spermatogonia, B. Zygote, C. Secondary oocyte, D. Oogonia. And the correct answer for this question is C. So secondary oocyte has 23 chromosomes, whereas spermatogonia, zygote and oogonia will have 46 chromosomes as they are diploid. Question number 12. Match the following and choose the correct option. We have two columns. In column 1, we have A as trophoblast, B as cleavage, C as inner cell mass and D as implantation. And in column 2, we have first embedding of blastocyst in the endometrium, second group of cells that would differentiate as the embryo, third outer layer of blastocyst attached to the endometrium, and fourth mitotic division of the zygote. And the options given here are option A, wherein A is 2, B is 1, C is 3 and D is 4. Option B, A3, B4, C2, D1. Option C, A3, B1, C2, D4. And option D, A2, B4, C3, D1. And the correct answer for this question is B, that is A3, that is trophoblast can be matched with outer layer of blastocyst attached to the endometrium. Cleavage can be matched up with mitotic division of the zygote. C, that is inner cell mass, can be matched up with the group of cells that would differentiate as the embryo. And D, implantation, can be matched up with embedding of blastocyst in the endometrium. Question number 13. Which of the following hormones is not secreted by the human placenta? A. HCG, B. Estrogen, C. Progesterone, D. LH. And the hormone that is not secreted by the human placenta is D. LH. Friends, I hope you remember that LH is secreted by the pituitary gland. Question number 14. The vas deferens receives duct from the seminal vesicle and opens into the urethra as dash. A. Epididymis, B. Ejaculatory duct, C. Efferent ductile, D. Ureter. And the correct answer for this question is B. Ejaculatory duct. So the vas deferens receives the duct from the seminal vesicle and opens into the urethra as ejaculatory duct. Question number 15. Urethral meatus refers to the dash. A. Urinogenital duct, B. Opening of vas deferens into the urethra, C. External opening of the urinogenital duct, D. Muscles surrounding the urinogenital duct. And the correct answer for this question is C. So urethral meatus refers to the external opening of the urinogenital duct. Question number 16. Morula is a developmental stage dash. A. Between the zygote and the blastocyst. B. Between the blastocyst and the gastrula. C. After the implantation. D. Between implantation and parturition. And the correct answer for this question is A. So morula is the developmental stage between the zygote and the blastocyst. Friends, you know the zygote, which is a unicellular diploid cell. It starts undergoing mitotic division to produce a mass of 8, 16, 32 cells, and this mass of the cells which is formed, maybe of 16 cells or 32 cells, is called as the morula. Question number 17. The membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is dash. A. Corona radiata. B. Zona radiata. C. Zona pellucida. D. Chorion. And the correct answer for this question is A. Corona radiata. So the membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is corona radiata. Question number 18. Friends, deliberately, if you can observe, I have written it as E18. That is to know that this is the end of the exemplar. Okay, so exemplar has only 18th question. This is the last question of the exemplar. And 19 onwards will all be additional questions for your practice. So 18th question is, identify the odd one from the following. A. Labia minora. B. Fimbriae. C. Infundibulum. D. Ichthmus. And the odd one among all these four is A. Labia minora, because all the other structures, that is Fimbriae, Infundibulum, Ichthmus, are associated with the fallopian tube. Question number 19. Humans are dash and dash organisms. A. Sexually reproducing and oviparous. B. Asexually reproducing and ovoviviparous. C. Asexually reproducing viviparous. D. Sexually reproducing and viviparous. And the correct answer for this question is D. So humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous organisms. Question number 20. The formation of gametes is called as dash. A. Gametogamy. B. Gametogenesis. C. Syngamy. D. Gestation. And the process of formation of gametes is called as B. Gametogenesis. Friends, it can be called as spermatogenesis in the males and oogenesis in the females. Now the option A, that is gametogamy, is nothing but the union of the gametes. Syngamy is nothing but the same, that is fertilization. And gestation is the pregnancy period. So here the formation of gametes is called as gametogenesis. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel and start studying. Thank you.